the way the brain processes pain. So we have something called nociceptors. These are pain receptors in our body. It could be in our hands, in our skin. We have it also internally. So these actually respond to temperature, touch. There's, anything sharp, those nociceptors or those pain receptors feel that. And then they are basically these nerve cells or these neurotransmitters transmit the signal from wherever that pain has come, whether it be you stepped on a needle or a nail, or you touch something sharp or something hot with your hand. These then nerve cells transmit the signal up through the spinal cord. And then there are certain pathways in your spinal cord that control pain and temperature, and then touch or pressure. And then they transmit it up to your actual, to the brain, actually process that. And then it actually goes to something called the thalamus. That's another part of the brain that processes this pain. And then also activates a part of the brain called the amygdala. This is your emotional center. So oftentimes when you have, something sharp, you'll say ouch, or you might get upset, or whatever it is. If it's something hot, you'll get upset. So then that emotional center, amygdala, and then also the thalamus are activated. So then what happens is your brain kind of has this reaction. If it's sharp, your brain then sends a signal down to your foot. If you stepped on a needle or stepped on a nail, then withdraw. Then the brain sends these signals or impulses down to activate your muscles, to actually move your leg, or to withdraw. And then let's say you're touching something hot, like you touched a stove, you didn't realize it was hot. Then those pain nociceptors are activated, it sends a signal up to the brain. Again, it activates the thalamus and the amygdala and other parts of the brain. There's a whole host of them. I mean, it's hard to go through each one of them, but then what happens is it then sends the signal from your brain down through your spinal cord into your hand to remove your hand from that painful stimuli.